scientific innovations for a sustainable future, I have prepared slides on two main topics that are increasing food production using the minimized use of resources and unblocking sea bridges. So starting with them, I'd like to go with you first. So first of all, ma'am, coming to the topic that is increasing food production and minimizing use of resources, here we have this. So what is food shortage? So with the increasing population of the world, one of the major problems that are in front of us and present here is food shortage. So it refers to the widespread and chronic insufficiency of food available to people. So people don't have adequately met demand of nutritional needs. So to address this problem, there requires to be a multifaceted and cooperative approach which includes everyone, including the government and the population. So here we have a graph which shows the going hungry rate, where how many people go hungry as per the year's data, and here this one shows that how India accounts for 40% of the global rice trade. Now coming to the next part, as per the report of the food. Yes, sir. Sir, is it visible? So मैं शेयर कर रखी, दोबारा शेयर करूँ? Of United Nations, it found that in 2021, where there were in the year of 2021, a number of 193 million people in 53 countries were facing the acute food insecurity shortage. But the number rose to a striking amount of 258 million people in 58 countries as of 2022. So that shows. So now coming to the basic point, that is what are the reasons. So some people do not have the economic resources to buy food so that their food demands can be met. Next and important one is climate change. Next is food waste and loss, where a significant portion of the food is wasted, lost or consumed uselessly, reducing its overall availability to the population. And the last one is lack of infrastructure agriculture. So now coming to the points that solutions which can be provided using artificial intelligence. So basically artificial intelligence can help by its ability to increase agricultural production and addressing food shortage, because it can process vast amounts of data and optimize that data for the better of agricultural food production, so that the yield produced is much better than before. So some of the steps which can be taken are precision farming, crop breeding, and autonomous farming equipment, aquaculture and fisheries. So coming to these points, so in precision farming, so where AI analyzes data. Yes, sir. मैम स्लाइड्स आपको शो नहीं हो रही है?
स्लाइड्स होने लगे लेकिन साथ में मूव करते रहो इनको।
जैसे जो फार्मिंग है उसको हम प्रिसाइज कर सकते हैं। एआई जो है वो पूरे फील्ड को स्कैन करके और रोबोट्स या ऑटोनोमस मशीन्स के अंदर उसके डेटा को डाल सकते हैं, जिससे कि रिसोर्सेज जितने यूज कहाँ होनी चाहिए और किस पार्ट में वो बेटर प्रिसीजन हो सकता है। नेक्स्ट इज क्रॉप ब्रीडिंग. So where AI can accelerate the process of developing new crop varieties, such as with desirable traits such as drought tolerance, disease resistance, and high nutritional value. So basically, crop breeding, using the help of science and AI, we are creating newer breeds of crops which are resistant to specific disease or factors which can be used to increase the yield. Next one is the autonomous farming equipment and aquaculture and fisheries. So in aquaculture and fisheries, AI is employed to monitor as well as manage the aquaculture systems and the fisheries, so that a sustainable and nutrition food supply can be provided to those who are living near the coastal areas or depend on this part for the food. And the next one is autonomous farming equipment, where the AI